Today we talk about how can you enable new followers notifications on your Reddit app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your apps. All you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it here, then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on account settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click on manage notifications. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here, and you come here to new followers. Just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean your followers notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.